Welcome back to Rondonaire's real-life motivational lessons for teens. Today's motivational lesson for teens is you are not your mistakes. Teens, you are not your mistakes. Every teen makes mistakes. Every teen messes up. Every teen has moments they wish they could take back. But here's the truth you've probably forgotten. You are not your mistakes. You are more than the worst thing you've done. When mistakes feel heavy, sometimes a mistake feels like the end of the world. A bad grade, a bad choice, a bad moment, and suddenly you feel like you ruined everything. You start thinking you're a failure. You start thinking you're disappointing people. You start thinking you'll never recover. But mistakes don't define you. How you grow from them does. Why mistakes don't define you? Your mistakes don't define you because you're still learning. You're still growing. You're still figuring out who you are. You're still becoming the person you're meant to be. Mistakes are part of the process. They're not proof that you're bad. They're proof that you're human. Every adult you admire, every successful person you look up to, every role model you respect, has made mistakes too. The difference is they learned from them. And you can too. What your mistakes are actually teaching you. Your mistakes are not the end. They're information. They're feedback. They're lessons wrapped in discomfort. A mistake teaches you what doesn't work. It teaches you what to avoid next time. It teaches you who you want to be. It teaches you how to think before you act. It teaches you how to grow. Mistakes are not meant to break you. They're meant to shape you. How to move forward after messing up. Moving forward doesn't mean pretending nothing happened. It means taking responsibility without destroying yourself. Here's what moving forward looks like. Admit what happened. Apologize if you need to. Learn the lesson. Make a better choice next time. Forgive yourself. Keep going. You don't have to be perfect to grow. You just have to be willing to try again. Your future is not ruined. Your story is not over. Your comeback is still possible. You are becoming someone stronger. Every time you learn from a mistake, you become wiser. You become stronger. You become more aware. You become more responsible. You become more confident. You're not supposed to have everything figured out at your age. You're supposed to learn. You're supposed to grow. You're supposed to evolve. And mistakes are part of that evolution. So if you're holding on to something you regret, let it go. You are not the moment you messed up. You are not the choice you wish you could redo. You are not the version of you who didn't know better. You are growing. You are learning. You are becoming. You are not your mistakes. You are your comeback. If you're a teen who wants more for your life, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn the notification bell to all so you never miss a new lesson. This is Rondonnaire, signing off.